is the vocabulary for Lesson 9 in Sign Language Made Simple. The first sentence is, did Tom tell you I found $1 yesterday? Tell you, that is the directional sign, which they don't really seem to do that in this part of the book. So it's tell you, tell me. Tell you, I, and then found ends in the F hand shape, found. That's the same sign as pickup. Found, discover, find. $1, so you just take the wrist, you have the one index finger out, dollar. Dollar, I do yesterday, they have that in there, and they also have the Y, yesterday. The movie was funny. Movie, funny, funny. Every, the book does one, I would probably do every one as in every person. Party, P hand shape, party. Said, fun, fun, fun. Not sure, I've not seen the sign that's in the book, so fun. Just how much do you want? This is the just in exactly, so they either do it with the F hand shape or the closed X, X'd, for exactly. That's what I use, the closed X. Exactly how much? Well, they do different. How much? How much do you want? Want. For. Just looking to see. Next. So you start over here. Next. Next. Picture. Picture. Let's see here. The car was hidden behind the house. So car. Hidden. Hidden. Behind. Behind. And then, of course, house. Let, this is sentence number 7, let them leave. Leave. If they, and desire the same as want. If they desire, want. Long for, sentence 8, I will see you tomorrow. Did you look at the sunrise or sunset yesterday? You, and then it's look at. So you start here like with, I do it on the side of face instead of in front of your eyes. Look at, look at. Sunrise, the sun is going up, or the sunset going down. Yesterday. I hope you will watch for him. Did you arrive? Kind of like we used for born in Silent Night. Here by airplane. So that would be the double motion. How many, then miles you would fingerspell for, this is sentence number 12. Miles. Is it to Kansas City? I do not circle. I've seen that a long time ago, so you can use it either way. But if I was going to use that in a test, I would do Kansas City. Sentence 13, the children play well together. Children, I use usually two hands, but you can do children. Play well, as in good, together. Together. Sentence number 14, I don't like. Don't like. It says that man or woman. So man or woman. Sentence number 15. So I had written in my book that I told you about minutes. So the minute I left the room, he began talking. So we did like 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes. I had sent you a video on minutes and that, hours and that before. So the minute I left the room, and you can use ours, I don't initialize it, he began, so it's in between the middle finger and the index finger, began or started talking or talking. The hours seem like days when you are bored. Okay, the hours seem like. Also appear or look like. Seem like days when or happen when you are bored. Bored. Sentence number 17 or 17. Who will come from the, they do, let's see, fields or fields, and I would use that, fields. Later or after a while, I usually don't use this part on my hand, later. I just go later or after a while. Next week is the last of the month. So it starts with the index finger, next week. Next week is the last of the month. Are you planning to come back next year? You planning to come again, basically. Come again next year. So it's here next year. You probably will also see come back, like BK back next year. But they use again. Last year it was cold at this time of year. So it starts here, last year. You know how it's incorporated. Instead, you don't have to do the sign year. You just put your hands here. Last year, 2 years ago, 3 years ago. It was cold at this time. So age, historical, time, like I think more, it's the T hand shape going around, like more like the season. That is it for lesson number 9.